Welcome back to Pilipinas Got Talent at syempre tuloy-tuloy ang ating performance showdown on our 4th semifinals week.
Ang susunod na performer, pangalan pa lang ay pangsikat na.
Yes, mula sa pagkanta sa ating Sunday Mass sa ABS-CBN ngayon, she is one of the very few female semifinalists that we have.
We are talking about Fame. Let's watch this.
Bongga.
Yes na yes.
It's a yes.
Hindi pa rin ako nag-give up. Bigay ito ni Lord, so hindi ko ikakahiya. Once in a while, nagsastruggle tayo. Dumadaan talaga yung mga ganyan, yung mga challenges. Pero pag meron kang music, na-harmonize lahat. Despite po sa lahat ng mga negativity na nangyari po sa aking buhay, patuloy pa rin po akong umaawit at patuloy pa rin cheerful dahil alam ko naman po, I'm very blessed dahil siya po ang nagbigay ng gift na to sa akin po.
Armed with a beautiful face and a beautiful voice, idagdag pa ang emosyon na binubuhos niya sa kanyang bawat performance.
Naiintindihan natin ang emosyon kahit di natin naiintindihan ang lyrics. Yan ang tatak niya. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Fame.
Down the Via Dolorosa in Jerusalem that day, the soldiers tried to clear the narrow street, but the crowd pressed in to see this man condemned to die on Calvary. He was bleeding from beating. There were stripes on his back, and he wore a crown of thorns upon his head, and he bore with every step the scorns of those who cried out for his death. Down the Via Dolorosa, on the way of suffering, like a lamb came the Messiah, Christ the King. But he chose to walk that road out of his love for you and me. Down the Via Dolorosa, all the way to Calvary. Down the Via Dolorosa, all the way of suffering, like a lamb came the Messiah, Christ the King. But he chose to walk that road, and you see, out of his love for you and me, down the Via Dolorosa, all the way to Calvary.
Fame, ladies and
Wow!
gentlemen. Fame.
Your name serves you right, Fame.
One emotional performance.
There you go, Fame. Are you okay? You alright? And we were talking about when nagper-perform si Fame, talagang nilalabas niya ang emosyon niya.
That's right. Alam niyo po, maraming hindi nakakaalam na breadwinner si Fame sa pamilya niya. At nag-stop siya sa pag-aaral. What do you want to say to your family right now?
Pagbubutihin ko pa po, win or lose. Tsaka po, unang-una po sa lahat, hindi lang naman po yung family po ang umaasa sa akin. Madami po mga umaasa sa akin. Pati po yung mga bata po dyan sa child house. Na one time po, nagkaroon po ako ng time na may imbita po ako sa kanila. At nakita ko po kung gaano po sila naghihirap. Nais ko po silang patulungan sana. Kasi sobrang kawawa po sila. Malala na po ang pakiramdam ng mga bata. Meron po akong na-encounter na 2 months. Baby pa po siya. Tapos hindi po nagsara yung skull niya. Wala pa po akong kayang ibigay kundi ang pagkanta po sa kanila. Sana bahala na po si Lord.
Well, Fame, whatever God deems worthy, ay ibigay niya sa'yo.
You're an inspiration to a lot of young kids out there.
How old is Fame?
How old are you, Fame?
19 po.
19.
19. Bakit kinailangan tumigil sa pag-aaral?
financial problem lang po kasi.
And breadwinner, so saan ka nag-work ngayon?
Hindi pa perform na po ko sa wedding occasion. Sa simbahan po, ganun po, iniimbita po ako.
Boss? Friendship, ikaw daw.
Habang nagpe-perform ka na speechless ako. Pero sabi ko, pwede kang artista kasi kumakanta ka, maganda ka, umaarte ka habang kumakanta ka.
Thank you po.
And, yun. I love you.
Thank you too.
Explain mo sa akin, ano yung 2 languages na kinakanta mo? I could understand the English. What was the other one?
Via Dolorosa po.
So, is it Italian?
Latin po yata yun eh.
Latin. That's a very hard language to learn. Actually.
Lugar po yun before sa Jerusalem.
Okay. Boss?
I wish you'll sing something that we could easily understand. The more we would appreciate your song. However, ang ganda ng boses mo. Ang ganda ng range mo. So, you did well with your song.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, judges. Gusto niyo bang si Fame ang kauna-unahang female grand finalist natin? This is what you have to remember. PGT space, Fame.
Like what they said there in the back, it says, God is with you, Fame, okay?
Amen.
PGT space, Fame, F-A-M-E. Sana magtuloy-tuloy ang fame mo, ha?
Thank you
No
po.
matter what happens, God is definitely with you.
Thank
Good
you
luck
po.
again, and
Thank
God.
you.
Good luck, Fame. We'll see you guys soon.
Via Dolorosa, the way of suffering, like a lamb, King the Messiah, Christ the King.
Ezra Band. To vote, Fame Flores. 1 for Globe, EM Sun Cellular, and Buy and Phone Extra subscribers. And 231 for Smart and Talk and Text subscribers. How to vote in bulk, text PGT space bulk to 2366 for all networks. For online and international voting, just log on to Pilipinas Got Talent at abs-cbn.com.